Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can send Monopoly Go links on Facebook super easily. I know some of you were having problems with Monopoly Go links because it can be hard sometimes, but with this video I will show you how you can do it super easily and super simply. Let's go find our Monopoly Go. Of course, for this to work we need Monopoly and Facebook already installed on our mobile devices. As you can see, I have my Facebook right in the middle and Monopoly Go on the side. I will first open Monopoly Go. Of course, Monopoly will go eventually open. So when it actually opens, I will make sure to come back and finish the video because it looks like it will take a little while to load. Okay, the game finally lets me do anything I want. So after coming to this screen, I will go to Friends. And of course it tells me to connect to these platforms, but no, we will not do that yet. We want to go to Invite. And now in this screen it will show us how Invite Friends system works. The more friends you invite, the more prizes you get. And we will say Invite again. And it will show which platforms you can invite friends on. Of course, we can find Discord, Instagram, but those are not important. I want to do Facebook. So I will click on it. And that's why we needed Facebook, because thanks to this, it will automatically connect to our Facebook and send the link on the Monopoly Go. Of course, from this screen, I can post it as much as I want, as many places and with as many friends as I want. So with this method, you can easily share it on your Facebook. So, okay guys, that was basically it, and I hope this video really helped you and showed you how you can do it super easily and simply. If you have any other questions, you can always tell us down in the comment section, but in any other case, of course, tell us in any way you can find. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day and goodbye.